Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Ali Shahmi Bedonin Isham from DTK5B. Today, I will be introducing my product that is called rain-shade cloth hanger with IoT. This product concept is taken from a concept that is usually made from home and also restaurant. That is a roller shutter concept. This product is meant to help people that are away from home for a long period of time, and also people that are working and they would come home late. This product is also made with IoT, Internet of Things, using the function of ESP8266. For this product, the height would be 137 cm. The width will be 51 cm and the length will be 82 cm. Because of this product can fit in any type of balcony and also in tight spaces. For the first component, it is the two rain sensor that is connected to the Arduino and also the ASP. Next is the motor and the limit switch. Next is the power bank, ESP8266 on box 2, USB connector hub, box 1 for Arduino, the 9-volt battery. Last but not least, the cloth hanger. This product uses 32mm in diameter pipe that is durable and also light. As for the wiring, this product uses 15mm in diameter PVC that is durable and also watertight. The top cover of this product uses a waterproof fabric that is called nylon, usually used on umbrella and tent. It is also durable and lightweight. The railing of the top cover of this product is made from aluminium, and because of that, it is very lightweight. This product also provides a place to put cloth pack for doing laundry purposes. This product can hold up to 8 or 9 clothes max. The base of this product is very stable and can withstand winds and also pushes. Because of that, this product is much more safer and will not tip over easily, causing injuries or item to be broken. First step is to plug in the USB hub connector to the power bank. Second step is to plug in the two USB into the USB hub connector. Third step is to plug in the 9-volt battery. For the last step, turn on the power bank and the product can be used. Wait for a notification when the rain-shade cloth hanger is online. When the two rain sensor is wet, the top cover will go down and the ESP8266 will send a notification that it is raining. When the two rain sensor is dry, the top cover will go up to let the cloth dry. The ESP8266 will send a notification that the weather is clear and not raining.